magic show. So I'm going to use Faber-Castell pencil color and some oil pastel. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, his ear, his red, and his feet. So we all know that it's gonna be a white color bunny. So but I'm not using white color, I'm going to use his cream color for his entire, just like hand, face, ear, and his feet. Okay, so let's get started with this. First of his ear, like this, and if you notice carefully, you can see that it's coloring, it's not white. Okay, try to color like this, it will give you a nice and shiny color like this. Okay, is it break or no? It's not break. I thought my color is just break. Okay, so now his head, his nose, except his eyes. Okay, his eyes and his nose, leave it. Okay, and now all of his entire face like this. You can use another color for his body, but I'm using this color, but it will match his personality. You know, it's a cute bunny, or you can say it's a rabbit. It's not mouse because before his eyes it's her ear. So if it is a mouse, its ear will like the hair, this type of ear, but his ear is so big, that's why I'm confirmed that he's a rabbit. Okay, and now be careful with the draw line. Okay, if you mess up with the draw line, it can ruin your drawing, so don't mess up with draw line. Okay, also here, okay, so it's all done. And now for his, also I left his insider eye ear to do also his color. Okay, and now his eyes will be red color or orange color. Let's put some orange color on his eyes like this. Okay, and also his little nose, I'm gonna leave his teeth white. Okay, and now for his collar tie, some sort of green color. Okay, the combination of red and green, you know. And now for his coat like this. Okay, and now for this jacket. For his jacket, I'm going to use red color. You can use another color if you want. And now also here. Okay, as you can see, it's already look nice, so green, so nice, you know. Okay, and now for his pant. So for the pant, I think I'm going to use some yellow color. No, it's not gonna be not yellow color. I'm going to use this color. Yeah, it's look nice, by the way. Let me know in the comment section below how is it looking. I hope it's look good to you. Okay, and now for his eyes, and now for his watch. It's nice sky blue color to which was all over it, and it will done like this. Okay, so our bunny is done. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. I hope you guys enjoy.